Cardio workouts are a great way to kickstart your weight loss journey. However, like any other type of exercise, there are some important do's and don'ts that you should keep in mind to ensure that you get the most out of your workouts. In this video, we'll explore some of the most important do's and don'ts of cardio workouts for weight loss. Do choose an activity that you enjoy. One of the most important things to keep in mind when it comes to cardio workouts is that you should choose an activity that you enjoy. This will help you stay motivated and make it easier to stick to your workout routine over the long term. Whether it's running, cycling, swimming, or dancing, find an activity that you love and make it a regular part of your weight loss journey. Don't overdo it. While cardio workouts are an important part of any weight loss plan, it's important not to overdo it. Overtraining can lead to injuries, burnout, and even a decrease in overall fitness. Make sure to give your body time to rest and recover between workouts, and listen to your body's signals if you start to feel tired or fatigued. Do incorporate interval training. Interval training is a great way to boost your cardio workouts and burn more calories. By alternating periods of high-intensity exercise with periods of rest or low-intensity exercise, you can increase your heart rate and metabolism, leading to more effective weight loss. Try incorporating interval training into your cardio workouts by doing short bursts of high-intensity exercise, like sprints or hill climbs, followed by periods of rest or low-intensity exercise. Don't neglect strength training. While cardio workouts are important for weight loss, it's also important to incorporate strength training into your routine. Strength training helps build lean muscle mass, which can boost your metabolism and help you burn more calories even when you're not working out. Aim to incorporate at least 2 strength training sessions per week into your overall fitness plan. Do track your progress. Tracking your progress is an important part of any weight loss journey, and cardio workouts are no exception. Keep track of your workouts, including the duration, intensity, and any changes you make to your routine. You can also track your weight loss progress and other metrics like body fat percentage, waist circumference, and heart rate to measure your progress over time. Don't rely solely on cardio workouts. While cardio workouts can be effective for weight loss, it's important not to rely solely on this type of exercise. In addition to cardio workouts, make sure to incorporate other forms of exercise, like strength training, yoga, or Pilates, into your fitness routine. This will help you build a well-rounded fitness plan that will support your weight loss goals. In conclusion, cardio workouts are a great way to kickstart your weight loss journey. By following these do's and don'ts, you can ensure that you get the most out of your workouts and achieve your weight loss goals in a safe and effective way. Remember to choose an activity that you enjoy, incorporate interval training, track your progress, and don't neglect strength training. With a well-rounded fitness plan, you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals and living a healthier, happier life.